Number 1. Put a handful of sea salt on the center and backside of your entrance door. This will bring you wealth and attract good energy into your home. These rituals also helps to attract abundance to all of those who enter into your house. Don't forget to replace the salt every 10 days to ensure its purifying properties. Second, wrap in plastic or in a small bag a teaspoon of sea salt and put it in your wallet in a secret compartment. This is said to be a powerful way to attract money with salt. The 10 days rule also applies here. Number 3. If you are having difficulties in managing your finances, put sea salt in all the corners of your house. You can use a plastic containers. It is important to cover them. This ritual will help you to absorb any negative energy your house may be harboring. Again, change the salt every 10 days. Important advice. The best time to do any of these rituals is on the first day of the new moon. Keep in mind that this phase is special because it marks the new beginnings, as it's the best time to renewal and creation, as well as to replace all the energies around you. Be sure that you choose one of the rituals to attract money with salt on this particular day. The chances of success are much higher than any other day.